What other laws protect transgender people in the UK, besides the Gender Recognition Act? Have you ever wondered what legal protections exist for transgender individuals in the United Kingdom beyond the Gender Recognition Act? Let's break this down and explore the various laws that support transgender rights, reflecting the principles of liberal ideology, which emphasizes political freedom and individual rights. First up is the Equality Act of 2010. This law is essential as it protects transgender people from discrimination in various areas, including employment, education, and access to services. It recognizes gender reassignment as a protected characteristic, making it illegal to treat someone unfairly because they are transgender or perceived to be. However, there are ongoing discussions about how this law applies to single-sex spaces, which keeps the conversation active. Next, we have hate crime legislation. The Criminal Justice Act of 2003 includes provisions that address hate crimes motivated by hostility towards transgender individuals. This means that if someone commits an offense out of transphobia, the courts can treat it more seriously, providing an extra layer of safety for transgender people. Another important aspect is the right to change one's legal name. Transgender individuals can change their name through a deed poll or statutory declaration. This process is simpler than obtaining a gender recognition certificate and allows for personal identity recognition without needing to go through the full legal gender change. Access to medical treatment is also a significant factor. Since the late 1990s, court rulings have affirmed that transgender individuals have the right to access gender-affirming medical treatment through the National Health Service. However, access can vary and may be subject to age restrictions, which is something to keep in mind. Marriage and civil partnership rights are also protected. The Marriage, Same-Sex Couples Act of 2013 allows transgender individuals to marry in their acquired gender without needing to divorce a previous spouse. This law supports the right to family life and personal freedom. Lastly, while not specific UK laws, international human rights frameworks play a role. Decisions from the European Court of Human Rights and the Yogyakarta Principles influence UK law and policy, reinforcing the right to gender self-determination and protection from discrimination. From a liberal perspective, these laws collectively promote equality, non-discrimination, and respect for personal identity. They aim to ensure that transgender individuals can live authentically and participate fully in society without facing unjust barriers or prejudice. However, the ongoing legal debates show that the balance between protecting transgender rights and other legal definitions remains a complex and evolving area in UK law.